What if I told you you could get paid every single day just by replying to emails? No special skills, no degree, just your phone or laptop and a little time. Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you exactly how it works.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nix, and if you're looking for real, flexible ways to make money online, this is it. Let's break it down. Every day, thousands of businesses get overwhelmed with emails. Customer support, scheduling, questions, follow-ups, you name it. So they hire people like you and me to handle it for them. Your job: reply to those emails using pre-written templates or company guidelines. It's easy, repetitive, and yes, you can get paid daily. Now let's talk about where you can actually find these jobs. You don't need to wait for someone to knock on your door. Opportunities are everywhere. Fiverr, create a gig for email reply services or inbox management. Upwork, search for jobs like virtual assistant and customer support. People per hour and freelancer.com, look under admin or support roles. Remote.co and weworkremotely.com, filter for customer support roles. Inboxdone.com, a legit company that hires people to manage inboxes. Want to be proactive? Reach out to small business owners, coaches, and influencers on Instagram or LinkedIn. Offer to manage their inbox for free for 1 to 2 days. If they love your work, boom! A paid client. So how do you make sure you get paid daily? Here's the trick. Use platforms that allow milestone or daily payouts like Upwork. Work with clients directly and use PayPal, Wise, or Payoneer. Set a daily rate, for example, $15 to $30 per day for 1 to 2 hours of work. Pro tip: mention daily payouts in your pitch or gig. It sets the expectation right away. And yes, there are people making $2,000 to $3,000 per month just managing inboxes, from home, in pajamas. Never done this before? Totally fine. Offer a free 1-day trial to build trust. Use ChatGPT or email templates to write faster. It's all about showing up, being reliable, and delivering on time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real online jobs. Start creating your future today. The journey begins now. Because your best work deserves the right platform to shine.